Well, a good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Friday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you it's heating up. We're in the 90s right now. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. If you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little garden update. Just give me a second. That's what we finna do. Well, let's take a look at these cucumbers that I'm planting out over here two kind of ways. Those are the Persian cucumbers. Them jokers are getting on. They're growing pretty good. They're drooping a little bit because it's just showing enough hot out here. And I'll water these guys later on this evening, but these guys are growing on pretty good. Let's take a look at these shady cucumbers. Can you tell a difference? Now these guys are really growing compared to the ones over there. And they're starting to get up on this trellis now. So it'll just be a couple of more days, and you know what? These guys are gonna start running this trellis system. Pepper plants are looking good. I don't know what kind this is. I think I mismarked these peppers. I wanna say that these are cherry peters, but peppers are doing good in the containers. There's one there, there's another one there. We're gonna go take a look at the other ones as well. Here's some more peppers that are growing real good. I have a whole bunch of volunteer Aztec rainbow chilies that come up. So I'm just gonna leave them guys in there, but those are looking good. And this is one of the plants that I actually mismarked. I don't know how I did this, but this is actually a huckleberry. Look there. Now, either this is a huckleberry for sure, or it's something else, I ain't really sure. But I just tried the huckleberry, and I'm gonna have to say, it's not a taste that I like. And I hope it's a huckleberry. It looks like a huckleberry. Maybe these berries need to ripen just a little bit more. They show enough black. I don't know, maybe it's just a different taste. Maybe it's a taste, I don't know. But there's another pepper plant that I have going on. I actually got some flowers on it. And I want to say that is a Bikino pepper. So the big old huckleberry and all the peppers are looking really good. They're growing, they shaded right now because of this flowering Bradford pear that I have here. I may have to trim some of these leaves down. These blueberry bushes have exploded. I am here to tell you. I've seen phenomenal growth on these guys since I fertilized them. And I need to really start fertilizing these guys on a schedule, which is something that I know I am gonna do. Got a kind of semi-ripe blueberry. That's all right, bunch of antioxidants and good stuff in a semi-purple one. I noticed that these blueberries are bigger this year. Maybe it's because of the fertilization. Now let's take a walk over here to these 16-foot raised beds. And I'm actually surprised on this. And when we get there, I'll tell you why. All right, that's where I planted out all my pole beans. And guess what? I ain't had a one of those pole beans germinate. It's been about 4 or 5 days now, if I'm not mistaken. Historically, pole beans have germinated for me over here in 2 to 3 days with no problems. So I actually went into that row and I actually dug it up just a little bit, and then I didn't have not one pole bean in that soil. So I replanted some pole beans, and look right there. 1 to 2 days, these pole beans normally come up over here. So what I'm gonna say is I tried soaking these pole beans. I don't reckon I'm gonna do that anymore. Maybe some folks have success with it. I didn't. I just wanted to try it as an experiment. So again, I dug that little furrow up and I could not find not one pole bean in that furrow. It might have been day after yesterday. Well, anyway, it might have been 2 days ago. I got out here and I planted them like I normally do, and got one to come up. We got a good rain, a little bit of rain last night. Wasn't just a whole bunch, just enough to stir up the red dirt, but hey, it's free water, and these pole beans got a little bit of water. So seeing one, I'm sure the other ones are gonna germinate. Ooh, that pool's looking good. Might wanna get in it, it's so dang hot. So that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a little bitty small garden update on a few things that I have growing over here Don't have a lot growing yet, but I don't know, maybe get some maters and some more peppers out. It's just depending on what's going on, because I'm always into something over here. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe this weekend amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Reference showing up, I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody doubt your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing up, get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.